Hello, in this video I am going to demonstrate Theia plugin API for diagnostics. Diagnostics are part of languages in API, and that's like hints from IDE editor. Let me demonstrate actually. When a user type something in the editor, some markers could appear. So this is embedded diagnostics in Theia editor, and plugin API allows the user to create or modify existing diagnostics. Diagnostics API consists of methods to control diagnostics within Theia editor and track diagnostics change, and it's maybe useful when plugin needs to track diagnostics change in some way. So to demonstrate these abilities, I've written a simple plugin which just highlights with warning and errors some specific words. So at first, to use diagnostics, user should create diagnostics collection. It allows to separate diagnostics by logical group, and much more easier to control them later. And then with each diagnostics collection, user can perform some operations like set, get, has, delete, and so on. There is a command which just adds warning diagnostics to the current editor. Here we get URI for current editor and just set the diagnostics for it. So that's a helper function which just finds all the word window and creates a diagnostics item and gives it to set function. The same is done for word const, but it's marked as error. So let's basically test it. So here we can see that all the words window has their own diagnostics. From the message is set from within plugin, and when this piece of text has own diagnostics, it will be shown too. So also we can add some other diagnostics type like error or remove. Errors is still there. But more practical would be update diagnostics on fly. So to do this, user can subscribe for editor changing events, and then update diagnostics according to user changes. So here I do not analyze changed area of text, but just rerun this sample algorithm. But for real plugins, it should be done in more optimal way. So here we just subscribe for text change event and perform diagnostics changing. So let's test it and try to type something like test const. As we can see, it changes when I type something, and so on. Also, it's possible to subscribe to Diagnostics change event, where we can retrieve all the URIs of editors in which Diagnostics was changed, and then perform some action when needed. So let's remove error Diagnostics, and we can see that only in one editor there was change, and there is the given URI for this. So that's basically it. Thanks for your attention.